Hi, welcome to my new video tutorial. Today, I will show you how to make blur a moving object and also apply pan and zoom effects to explore different parts of a scene. In this video demonstration, we will make blur this moving cursor. Then we will also apply the pan and zoom effect to this highlighted area. So let's start. Open Filmora and import the video clip into the timeline. Move the playhead to the point where you want the object motion to track and split the media. Select the split media. Resize the adjuster box according to the object. Now the motion is tracking. Select the blur effect. Now let's apply pan and zoom effect to this area. Split and select the media you want to apply the pan and zoom in effect. Adjust the end box according to the area. Copy the applied effect. Again, split and select the media in the timeline to apply the zoom effect and paste the copied pan and zoom effect. Swap the start and end points, and then select the crop option. Finally, select the media and apply the pan and zoom out effect to get the original media size. Here is the result of the pan and zoom effect. Thank you for watching.